Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan if this is your first time here, and today we are going to be doing a Sephora and Ulta haul. I also picked up a couple of things from ColourPop, so if you want to see what I got in this haul, then just keep watching. The first couple things I picked up were from Ulta. I picked up the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser with a silicone scrub mat. I'm going to use this for cleaning my brushes. And then I picked up the Wet n Wild Face and Body Gems. They had a couple different options, but I decided to pick up these. I think these would be great for any Halloween looks and this time of the year. And then I picked up a Morphe M405 brush. I do already have this brush, but it is very well used, so I decided just to pick up another one. I love this for contouring and bronzing. And then I picked up the E.L.F. Ride or Die Lip Balm in the shade Tough Cookie. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and every time I go to Target, it is sold out. So once I saw this in Ulta, I decided just to pick it up. The next items I picked up were from ColourPop. I bought the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. I am very excited to use this. I really like their tinted moisturizer that they came out, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, so I am very excited to try this out. And then I picked up a couple of items from the Sandstone collection. I picked up the Sandstone Palette, which is really pretty, and I think it's really good for the fall. And I'll just show you some swatches. Here are some swatches. I didn't swatch everything, but I am really in love with this green color and then this color down here, and I think this is a great palette for the fall. And I picked up the Lippie stick in the shade Prairie Home. This is more of a red, a deeper red shade, so that is just what that looks like. I don't have very many colors like this, so that's why I picked it up, and I think it would be great for the fall and also during the holidays. The last item I picked up from this collection is the cream shadow in the shade Flagstaff, which is just more of a burnt orange color with some gold reflex. And, well, that's really pretty, actually. This is a new formula for ColourPop, and I pretty much just picked this up because it's in the shade Flagstaff. I do have some family that live in Arizona, so I did buy it for that purpose. But that is actually really pretty, so I am excited to use that. And then this is the very exciting thing from ColourPop. I picked up the Hocus Pocus palette in collaboration with ColourPop. This is what is on my eyes today. I am very excited about this palette. I've created 2 looks with it so far, and I really like the formula of this, so I'm just gonna swatch a couple of shades. This is what the swatches look like. Again, not every single shade, but most of them. I am very happy with this palette. I really love this green shade, and then these first 3 shades are pretty much what I have on my eyes today. And then I really like this shade. I want to use that all over the lid. I just love how grungy this palette is, and I think this is really beautiful for the fall. And then the next item I picked up from this collection is the Boss Witch Faux eyelashes. So that's what these look like. And then I tried to pick up a lip bundle, but unfortunately that was sold out on the site. And then I tried to get it on Ulta, and then that was also sold out. So hopefully, maybe if they restock, I can pick that up. But I was really bummed that I didn't get to pick that up, but I am glad I picked up the palette. And then lastly are the items I picked up from Sephora. I picked up the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I am very excited to use this. I do get some bumps on the backs of my arms, and I've heard that this really helps with this, so I am excited to try this. And then I picked up a couple of items from Rare Beauty, which is Selena Gomez's new makeup line. I picked up the concealer brush. I was very excited because I have a hard time trying to get in here with my sponge, so I thought that this would really help, and I did hear really good things about this brush. Then I picked up the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Joy, which is more of a orangey shade, and all you need is just a little dot, and then that is enough. You don't want to go overboard because I've seen a lot of people on YouTube go overboard with this blush. So I'm just going to blend it out. And then that is just what that looks like. Again, this is the dewy one. She does have dewy and matte ones. But I decided to pick up the dewy one, which I am very happy I did. I do really like this blush. I tried it once already and it stayed on all day. I was wearing a mask and I had it on for a very long time and it just stayed on. So I am very happy with that, and I will definitely be picking up more shades. And then the last item I picked up from Rare Beauty is the Lip Soufflé Matte Lip Cream. And I got the shade Fearless, which is more of a deeper mauve color. And I will tell you that this has been in my purse ever since I bought it. As soon as I bought it, I had to try it on and I absolutely love it. This is more of a moussey formula. It's very lightweight. That's what that shade looks like. It is very lightweight on the lips. It doesn't feel like you have anything on, and I do really like it, especially to wear a mask with, because this really does not transfer, and I really love this formula, and I definitely want to pick up more shades of this. And then I did pick up 2 sets from Fenty Beauty. I did get the 2 little Stunnas little mini lip kit, and I'll just swatch these for you. You do really have to shake these up before you use them. I have tried one shade in the past, and I really do like the formula. It is very lightweight. Ooh, that's really pretty. And I like it because they're mini, and I don't go through lip products very fast, so I do really like when they have the option to buy the minis. So this one is in the shade Unmatched right here, and then this one is in the shade Underrated. Oops, I just smeared that. This is in the shade Underrated. I really like this. This would be really good. Both of them would be really good for the fall and the holidays, but I am very excited to wear these. And then I picked up the Fenty Beauty Glossy Posse Holidays Edition Mini Gloss Balm set, which comes with 4 glosses. I did pick up the set last year, and I will say I do like the packaging on that more. This one just came in like a cardboard packaging, and the other one actually came in a tin package where you can just put those in and then just leave them in there. But these are the 4 shades. They're all new shades and different from last year's. So we have a more champagne-y shade, which is in the shade Baby Brute, which just looks like this, which is more of like a lighter gloss, just something that you can top maybe a liquid lipstick with. And then we have the shade Taffy Tease, which is more of a peachy gloss, which they're probably not going to look much different on the lips. And then we have this shade, which is in the shade Cake Shake, which I am very excited for. Ooh, that is very pretty. This is just more of a gold. It's similar to this, but a little bit deeper, and it has more sparkles in it, but this over a nude would be beautiful. And then the last shade is in this shade Ruby Milk, which is the most different out of all of them, and that is also very pretty. So these are what the 4 shades look like, and I absolutely love the Fenty Gloss Balm formula. I think I have pretty much every single shade, but I do really like these, and they do really last a long time on the lip for being a gloss, and they're not like, you can't feel the glitter on your lips. They're very smooth, so I really am happy about that set. And apparently I really like Fenty lip products because I picked up another one. I picked up the Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick. I do have 2 of these, and I really, really like this formula. So I had to pick up another one. Picked up the shade Retro Rose, which is just more of a, obviously, rosy nude color. and that is very pretty. It just gives you a light wash on the lips, and I do really like this on the lips. I think it's one of my favorite formulas I've ever tried. Then I picked up the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. I've heard a lot of people talk about this concealer, so I just had to pick this up because I was running out of my concealer that I have now, so I just decided to pick this up. I have used it once, and I do really like it. It is very full coverage under the eye, which is not what I'm used to with the concealer I'm using right now. It is very lightweight, but I am excited for this for the winter time. I like more of a full coverage during this time. And then I picked up the Kosas, the Big Clean Volumizing Mascara. I have heard a lot of people rave about this, and this packaging is stunning. I love Kosas. I have tried a couple of items from their brand, but I really like them, and I'm very excited to try this mascara. I'm not going to open it because I already have an open mascara, but it is more of a curved one, and I've heard a lot of people say very good things about this, so I am excited to try it. But yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any of the products that I hauled in a separate video, I can do a trying new makeup video. I will be posting a haul in about 3 to 4 weeks from Sephora. They are having their VIB sale, so I will get 20% off. So I will be picking up quite a bit of items and a lot of holiday releases. So I will be doing that, but I think I'm going to do a try-on haul so I can try them on and show you everything that I picked up, and give you my first impression on them. So yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.